Hey future maths wizard. Are you entering class 10? And feeling that tiny knot in your stomach about board exams, especially for maths? Well, what if I told you scoring 95 plus in class 10 maths 2026 is not about studying 10 hours daily? Not about being a topper since childhood, not about joining expensive coaching, but about following a simple, smart strategy? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap. From syllabus breakdown, to a 6-month study plan, to the last 30-day revision strategy, to exam day secrets. If you follow this till the end, 95 plus in maths won't be a dream, it will be your result. So watch carefully. This video can literally change your board result. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Study Smart Maths. If you are preparing for Class 10 Board Exams 2026 and you want practical, step-by-step strategies to score high marks, this channel is for you. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell icon, because I regularly upload smart study strategies that actually work. Now let's start the complete roadmap to score 95 plus in maths. Part 1 of this roadmap is understand the 2026 exam pattern. Before studying, you must understand the battlefield. The maths paper usually has MCQs, competency-based. 2-mark questions, 3-mark questions, 4 to 5-mark long answers, case study-based questions, internal assessment of 20 marks. Besides this, important trends for 2026 introduced by CBSE board are more concept-based questions, more application-based questions, less direct formula repetition. So if you are just memorizing steps, that won't work anymore. Understanding concepts is the real key. Part 2 is complete chapter-wise strategy. Now let's break the syllabus smartly. The complete syllabus is divided into sections. Section I is Algebra, your biggest scoring weapon. Algebra carries high weightage. Chapters include real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations, quadratic equations and arithmetic progressions. If you master algebra, you can secure around 30 to 35 marks. Arithmetic progressions is very predictable. Quadratic equations and linear equations have important word problems, practice them properly. Section 2 is Geometry, where clarity is everything. Chapters include triangles, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, circles and constructions. Learn all theorems with proofs. Coordinate geometry is direct and easy scoring. In trigonometry, memorize standard values properly. Constructions require neat diagrams. Presentation matters here. Section 3 is Mensuration and consists of formula-based chapters. Surface areas and volumes is full of formulas. Make a separate formula notebook. Many students lose marks here due to calculation mistakes. So practice carefully. Section 4 is Statistics and Probability, easy 15 marks. Statistics, mean, cumulative frequency and graphs. Probability is very direct. If you practice NCERT properly, you can score full marks here. Part 3, 6-month study plan. Now this is very important. If you are 6 months away from exams, follow this, month 1 and 2 concept building phase. Complete 1 chapter every 5 to 6 days. Solve all NCERT examples. Focus on understanding, not memorizing. Month 3 and 4, practice phase. Solve NCERT again. Start solving exemplar questions. Begin solving sample papers. Month 5, testing phase. Solve 10 to 12 full-length papers. Practice with a timer. Analyze mistakes. Month 6, final revision phase. Revise formulas daily. Focus on weak chapters. Solve previous year questions. Part 4, why NCERT is your golden weapon. Listen carefully. 80-85% of the board paper comes directly or indirectly from NCERT. So what should you do? Solve all exercises. Solve examples twice. Practice miscellaneous questions carefully. If you master NCERT, 90 plus is almost guaranteed. Part 5, previous year question papers. Solve at least 5 to 7 years of papers. Benefits, understand pattern. Identify repeated questions. Improve speed. Time management improves automatically. Part 6, most scoring chapters. Focus more on arithmetic progressions. Probability. Coordinate geometry. Statistics. Quadratic equations. These chapters can secure 40 to 50 marks easily. Part 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Many students lose marks because of ignoring step marking, skipping proofs, not revising formulas, poor time management, panic during exam. Avoid these and you are already ahead. Part 8. How to jump from 85 to 95 plus. This is topper level strategy. 1. Write steps clearly. 2. Draw neat diagrams. 3. Highlight final answers. 4. Revise formulas every Sunday. Last 30-day strategy. Solve one sample paper daily. Analyze mistakes. Revise weak areas. This alone can boost 10 marks. Part 9. Exam day strategy. Attempt easy questions first. Don't waste too much time on one question. Keep last 15 minutes for revision. Recheck calculations. Confidence comes from practice, not luck. So remember, 95 plus in Class 10 Maths 2026 is not about studying 10 hours daily. It is about smart planning, consistent practice, strong basics, regular revision. If you follow this strategy step by step, your result will surprise everyone including you. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Comment below 95 plus loading if you are serious. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful study strategies. See you in the next video.